Hey guys, Trevor here. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix email notifications if they're not working on your iPhone. Now, let's first just open up the Settings app on your iPhone. The first thing that we're going to check to see is make sure you don't have low power mode turned on. So tap on battery here midway down. And then if you scroll down, you can see power mode. Let's tap on that. If you have low power mode turned on, you won't get those notifications. So make sure that is toggled off. The next thing we're going to do is go back out of here and check the background app refresh. So let's tap on general here midway down. And then we're going to scroll down until we get to background app refresh. Now, if this is turned off, then it won't be able to update and get those emails in the background to send you those notifications. So on here, you can turn it on for Wi-Fi and cell data. You can turn it off for everything if you don't want everything to be running in the background. But for things like Gmail or the Mail app here, you can always turn that on. Keep in mind, if you have a Yahoo account or any other email, you can turn them on here as well. Now, the next thing we're going to do is configure those notifications themselves. So let's go back to the very beginning of your settings, and then we're going to scroll down until we get to notifications here. Tap on that. Now, I'm going to walk you through a couple examples with the Mail app or Gmail app. It'll be a bit different depending on what you have. So let's scroll down, and for instance, let's say you're using the Gmail app. Of course, allow notifications has to be turned on, and I would recommend turning on alerts, all of this stuff, the sounds, badges, make sure everything is toggled on. However, what you might not have seen at the very bottom is Gmail notification settings. Now, if I tap on that, it opens up my Gmail account, and in here are email notifications. So if I tap on that, if the notifications are set to none, even though they're turned on my iPhone, I still won't get those notifications. So you need to make sure it's set to all new email and hit done. However, let's go back to the settings, and let's say you instead use the Mail app. There are settings in the Mail app that are a bit tricky as well. So let's go back out here and go down to the Mail app here, tap on that. And now, of course, everything should be turned on, allow notifications and all of these lock screen banners, badges, etc. However, at the bottom again is customize these notifications. So let's tap on that. Now you can see, do you want to get the badge count for unread messages or all unread messages? I would recommend that. And let's say we are not getting those notifications for your business account. You can see if you have this turned off on both of these, even though you have notifications turned on, it won't send you those notifications for this email account. So make sure alerts and badges and sounds is turned on all of the accounts that you want to receive those notifications for. And again, remind me or your primary inbox, do you want to get alerts for these? Make sure to turn it on. So you might have turned on notifications on the basically settings app, but not specifically turn them on for that email address. Now, after we've done that, let's hop out of here and let's swipe down from the top right. Another big culprit is if you have a focus mode like do not disturb or anything else turned on. You won't get those notifications because it silences those. So just toggle it off so that you'll get those notifications. The last thing you can do if you're still not getting them is a force restart on your iPhone. To do that, we're going to press the volume up, press the volume down, and then press and hold that side button until you see an Apple logo. So I'll show you how that works. Volume up, volume down, press and hold that side button. Keep holding it even though it says slide to power off. We'll wait until the entire iPhone screen goes black. And then after a bit, just like that, after a bit, the Apple logo will appear, indicating that it's through the force restart process. You can lift your fingers up at that point. And now it's gone through the process of force restarting it, almost always fixing that issue. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the subscribe button down below, and I'll catch you on the next one.